Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your shallow cake tins taller. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. Sometimes if you have a limited number of cake tins, you may find that there's a recipe that calls for a tall cake tin, like this one for example, but you only have one this height. You can actually make it a bit taller by adding some greaseproof paper, and I'm going to show you how. So I've got my greaseproof paper here. Okay, so you put some in your tin, okay, like this, to measure the tin. You can cut it lengthways, or you can cut the greaseproof paper lengthways or widthways. It just depends what you want to do. But I've got some already cut. So this is way too tall, but you can make your tin a bit taller, maybe about halfway. So I'm going to cut this paper in half. I'll show you. Fold it in half. Open it up. Now, you need to put some butter on the sides of your tin so that this sticks. So you already have a few inches taller for your cake. Like that. Butter, I'm going to spread it all the way around. And I'll put some on the bottom as well. I like to line my cake tins at the bottom and the sides, only when I'm doing a tall cake. But if it's just a cake that fits here, I just line the bottom and put paper at the bottom. So anyway, let's go to the sides. So here is my liner, my baking paper. You can see you've already added some extra height on your cake tin, like that. So this one doesn't go all the way around. So I've got that other half that I cut. I get that half, and where this part ends there, I put this one so that it joins together. Putting tin to the tin. And then I cut it here where it goes. So there's just a little bit of a gap there, but it's okay. It won't stick, it should be fine. But if it bothers you, you can get a little strip of baking paper and stick it on. That's it. That's how you get a few more extra inches on your cake, so it will rise without falling out of your cake tin. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.